I test the recipes of the internet so you don't have to. Today we're making Greek meatballs by It's Liz Mew. Full recipes on her page. So we start with the mince, garlic, red onion. We've got parsley, mint, dill, and oregano, or oregano, I don't know. Next we've got panko breadcrumbs, some salt and pepper, and Dijon mustard. We've got water, flour, and some oil. I love cooking when you just throw everything into a bowl, and a little bit on the bench. Next, like in the words of Bob Marley, we stir it up, and in the words of Fat Man Scoop, scoop it up, and in the words of George Michael, roll some balls. Bruh. Next, we chuck them into a bit of flour for dusting before we chuck them into a hot and oiled pan. By the way, if you didn't roll the balls tightly, they're going to come apart in this next part. So make sure when you're rolling them good and tight. How good do these look? I serve them up with some white rice, some homemade pita bread, a side salad, some fresh tzatziki, some lemon wedges and chips. All in all, it made for one epic meal, and the meatballs were delicious. And if you want the recipe for the pita bread, that's on my page. Big shout out to It's Liz Mew for the recipe, and as always, follow for more internet recipe tips. Okay, love you, bye.